In this video, let me show you how to use Cash App ATM fee reimbursements. Now, in order to waive off the charges, you'll need to first of all achieve the Cash App green status. Now, normally what happens is whenever you try to withdraw money using the Cash App debit card, you will get charged a standard $2.5 per transaction. This is on top of what your ATM network operator already charges. But however, as I said, if you qualify for the green status, Cash App will completely waive off its fees and will instantly reimburse your network cost into the networks of the ATMs. Now, in order to achieve the green status within Cash App, you need to either receive at least $300 or more in qualifying paycheck deposits into the Cash App account within a single month. Or secondly, what you could also do is spend at least $500 or more on qualifying purchases using a physical Cash App card or the Cash App Pay within a single month. So if you do one of these things, you would classify or achieve the Cash App green status. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.